Every month, same story. Salary comes in, you feel rich for a moment, and then, boom, it's gone. You didn't buy anything crazy. You didn't go on a luxury vacation, so where did your money go? If this keeps happening to you, it's not bad luck. It's a system problem. And today, you're going to fix it.
Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't run out of money because you earn too little. You run out of money because you spend without a plan. Think about it. Money comes in and immediately starts going out. Rent, food, subscriptions, random small expenses. And those small expenses, they silently kill your bank account. A coffee here, a food delivery there, an impulse buy at night. Individually, they feel harmless. Together, they drain your entire paycheck. Most people live in something called the paycheck trap. Here's how it works. You get paid, you spend first, you try to save what's left, there's nothing left. So saving becomes impossible. You're not building wealth, you're just surviving. Month after month. And the worst part? It feels normal. But normal doesn't mean correct. If you don't fix this now, you'll still be in the same situation 1 year from now, 5 years from now, even 10 years from now. No savings, no freedom, always waiting for the next paycheck. That's not financial life, that's financial prison. All right, here's how you break the cycle. Step 1, pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, save a portion immediately, not later. Not if something is left. Start with 10% if you can. Even 5% is fine. The key is saving is not optional anymore. It's automatic. Step 2, track every expense. You don't need complicated apps, just write it down. Food, transport, online spending. When you see your spending clearly, you automatically start controlling it. Awareness creates discipline. Step 3, set spending limits. Give every category a limit. Food budget, entertainment budget, shopping budget. Once it's finished, you stop spending. No excuses. Step 4, kill impulse buying. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this or do I just want it right now? Wait 24 hours. Most of the time, you won't even want it anymore. Step 5, build a simple system. Split your money like this: 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. This creates balance. You enjoy life, but you also build your future. Here's the most important thing you need to understand. If you don't control your money will control you. Your paycheck is not the problem. Fix the system and your life changes automatically. So next time your salary comes in, don't repeat the same mistake. Take control. Follow the system, and finally, stop wondering where your money went. If this hit you hard, good. That means it's time to change. And trust me, your future self will thank you.